So hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Gupta and in this video you will get to know about the introduction of WordPad. So when we need to write something like a letter, short message, etc., we need a paper sheet, a pen or pencil. But on computer we don't need such things. There is a software available in Windows on which these type of activities can be done. It is called as WordPad. And WordPad is a word processing software. It is used to type, edit and format the text. So if you don't know about word processing, don't worry because I know about this and now I am going to share my knowledge with you. So the word processor is an application software that helps you to type in and format your text on a computer. The process of typing in and formatting using a word processor is known as word processing. First of all, you have to go to the start button. After clicking on the start button, scroll it down and search for window accessories. Now click on it. A sub menu will expand. Now search for WordPad and click on it. Now the WordPad window appears on the screen like this. There is also a second method by which you can start the WordPad. In second method, you have to go to the search bar and type WordPad there and then click on the WordPad and here is your WordPad screen. So आपके WordPad screen में ये जो upper most part है, this is called as Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar helps us to do common tasks. It is situated at the top of the WordPad toolbar. And below Quick Access Toolbar, this portion of your WordPad screen is called as ribbon. The ribbon contains tabs and commands. There are two types of tabs available in ribbon. First is Home and second is View tab. Commands are also available there which plays very important role in performing different tasks. And below the ribbon, the big white space where you can type text is called as text area. You can fill it by using your keyboard. Whatever you want to write, you can write in that space. A small point blinks in the document area. As you can see, there is a small point that is blinking. This is called insertion point. The insertion point is also called as cursor. It shows where the text that you type will appear. So now let us talk about how to create a new document in WordPad. To create a new document in the WordPad, you have to follow some steps. जो मैं आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूँ आपको वैसा ही करना है. First of all, you have to click on File menu. In that you have to select New option. And after clicking on it, आपको एक न्यू फाइल जो है वो यहाँ पर अपीयर होने लगेगी जिस पर आप कोई भी काम कर पाएंगे. So after creating a new document, you have to type something in that program. So you can type in the WordPad with the help of the keyboard. The typed characters appear on the screen starting from the place where the cursor is positioned. So to type in WordPad, take the cursor where you want to start typing. As I am typing my name, don't forget to give space between the words using spacebar while typing, and when you want to go to the next line, press the enter key and then type whatever you want to type in the next line. So in this way आप यहाँ पे जो भी चाहें वो टाइप कर सकते हैं, कितना भी बड़ा डॉक्यूमेंट बना सकते हैं. And after creating a document in WordPad, now we will learn about how to save your work. So as I told you before, you can save your work in the WordPad after finishing the work. If you do not save your work, it will be erased when the computer is turned off. So to save your file, you have to click on File menu. Then you will get Save and Save As buttons there. आप अपनी चॉइस के हिसाब से सेव और सेव एज को चूज़ कर सकते हो. After selecting Save button, you will get a dialog box. In that, in the file name box, type a name of the file. Example, I am typing myself. एंड देन आपको यहाँ पर लोकेशन चूज़ करनी होगी कि आप अपनी फ़ाइल को कहाँ पर सेव करना चाहते हैं. आफ्टर चूजिंग द लोकेशन, क्लिक ऑन द सेव बटन. यू हैव सेव्ड योर वर्क इन द फाइल नेम्ड माई सेल्फ इन योर डिज़ायर्ड लोकेशन. And after saving your document, if you want to print your document, go to the File tab, click on it and click on the Print button. After clicking on the Print button, a dialog box appears on the screen. Click on Print or OK after setting up the page setup and you will get your print. तो क्योंकि अभी हमें प्रिंट की ज़रूरत नहीं है तो मैं इस डायलॉग बॉक्स को क्रॉस बटन से क्लोज़ कर देता हूँ. So now we have learnt about how to start the WordPad and how to type in it. We have also learnt about creating, saving and printing the document in the WordPad. So when you have finished your work, you have to exit the WordPad. To exit the WordPad, you have to click on File menu और File menu में आपको नीचे bottom की side में एक exit option मिल जाएगा. You can exit from WordPad by clicking on it. So I hope the topic is clear. This is it for today. Thank you.